animals that change color, bald heads, not a hair on them, big nose holes, claws for fingernails, a square foot with no toes, and last but not least, blue spit. Put these all together and you have a real witch. And I should know, because I live with 85 of those children-hating monsters in this horrifying place. I actually saw the Grand High Witch's hideous face, which looks just like a rotten apple. Oh no, they smell me, and now they're forcing me to drink formula number 86. And you guessed right, now I am a mouse. Will I ever turn back into a little boy again? Or will I be a mouse forever? Read The Witches by Roald Dahl to find out. At first I was with my friend Jay. Next thing I know, I was separated from my family. I, Barry Tucker, am hugging a tree for my dear life. A powerful hurricane is devouring everything. Cars, houses, people are crying, dogs are barking. Wait, I know that bark. It's Cruz. He belongs to the bully of our neighborhood. Splash! Cruz found the water. I have to try saving him somehow. Can Barry save the dog? Can he save himself? To find out, read I Survived Hurricane Katrina 2005 by Lauren Tarshish. P.S. Could you survive Hurricane Katrina? Didn't you hear me? I just said no talking. The boys and girls of Laketon Elementary School are in a serious game. The boys at Laketon Elementary School thought the girls had too many cooties. And that's when war began. No talking. Let us tell you the two important rules. First, if an adult talks to you, you can only say 3 words. Second, you have to be honest. No talking out of school. Who do you think will survive, the boys or the girls? Find out who wins by reading Andrew Clement's book, No Talking. Do you ever get mad? I mean really mad? What do you do? Do you kick something? Do you scream, ah? Or even cry? Those are normal reactions. Let me introduce you to the Beaumont family who live right between Nebraska and Kansas, who are anything but normal. When Grandpa loses it, earthquakes happen. His savvy is to move large masses of land. Older brother's rocket savvy is electrifying. When angry, TV's lights and anything electrical explodes. Middle brother, fish's savvy, can summon water, causing horrible storms if he becomes furious. And Mississippi, aka Miz, the only girl in the family, is about to discover her savvy. What's a savvy? A savvy is a magical power that the family Beaumonts inherit at age 13. What will Mib's savvy be, and what trouble will it cause? And now, why are the Beaumonts stowing away in a bus that's headed across country? Read this award-winning novel, Savvy, by Ingrid Law, to find out what extraordinary